Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video,
I'm going to show you how you can import template to your Google Slides. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a Google Slides presentation on my laptop and I'm going to import my template to this Google Slides. If you want to do that, first thing first, we can go to the file option and then select import slides right here, and then I'm going to import slides from my device. So I'm going to click on upload and then we can click on browse, and you can choose the template you want to import from your device. For instance, I'm going to import this template. Okay, I'm just going to click on open and we just need to wait until the template has been imported, and after the template has been imported we will be able to use the template for our presentation on the Google Slides. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. Okay, and this is the theme I want to use for my presentation, and we can choose the slide we want to apply. For instance, I'm going to choose this ones, and then once we're done choosing the slide we can click on import slides. Okay, and now the theme has been imported and I'm going to delete the first slide. Right. Okay, and this is the template I want to use for my presentation. Alright guys, so that's how we can import a theme to Google Slides. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.